This is Aduni Lashogi store. This is a fashion store, and here we are to fix what's it called, surge breaker. So this is 3.5 kVA inverter system. This is 60 amps integrated charge controller, and we have two tubular battery. Okay. So to power these machines here. So right now we're about to lose it. Volts breaker. And then program from lightning and take it to the ground. So the speed has already been created for the surge breaker. So all we need to do now is to lose this and this. So can you see that? So the next thing to do here now is to lose this. You off your break, so you stop charging the battery. Okay. Through the charge control. So firstly we have to. So yeah, the surge protector has been connected. So she's connecting it.
Oh, no, I can see. Sorry.
So the surge protector has been fixed. So what is next for us to do now is just to bring the cable going to the ground to connect it, and that'll be the end. Presently, and this is the inverter. So everything is working perfect. So we're about to connect the cable going to the ground. Surge protector, so that to prevent from any form of lightning, thunder. So there is it. So we have this two for the panels. The panel is being connected to two series, and we have about 8 panels, all the 350 watts each. So there is a connection for the AC input from the grid to the inverter. So this is the output. There's a load, yeah, and here we have the charge controller. There's a cable from the panel and from the battery to the battery. So this is it. So we have 2.28.3 the current voltage, and we also have it here. 28.5. So the panel is still charging. Everything is working perfect. So this how the whole thing is being connected. This is two tubular battery, 220 amps each. 220 amps each. So I think we are good to go. So this is Alashogi fashion house. So please contact us at AY Power Solutions for more information, for more jobs. We are here for you.